So part two for the assembly and adjustment of the eBay carburetor, autolite 1100. One thing I noticed is, I'm not sure this is correct or not, but the float needle is just brass. Usually they have a black tip made of Viton material. This one is just brass, which if correct, it should be much more durable but harder to seal. Now with the air horn, this whole thing is actually called an air horn by the manual. That kind of confused me. So what the hell is an air horn? But it's the top part of the carburetor with this round part. That's called an air horn. But this top part, with it turned around, should show you the float level. As you can see, the float should be closing quite a bit before reaching full. So on the diagram, on the manual, it's almost flat. And it's supposed to be at about 1/332 of an inch float level. I'm going to measure this, but it should be closing before, so it shouldn't be flooding at all. I'm going to blow on the end here, see if the float is closing properly, if the valve is working.